Greetings, fellow travelers. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. We're at Indiana Beach today. It's the 75th anniversary. They're doing the first day's run of the All-American Triple Loop roller coaster, so that one will be on the channel. But we're going to show you a very unique ride. Up first here, it's going to be the Lost Coaster of Superstition Mountain. They put you in these indoor cable cars. It's kind of like netted you in. They just throw you in the seats. You either go forwards or backwards. Backwards is a rough go. Forwards are here is a good ride. And join us for the ride, and for the critique afterwards, we'll let you know what we think of the coaster. All right, let's go. This? Okay.
So we're facing forward, right?
Right now we are. Yes, indeedy. Buckle in, Becky. He's waiting there. They got it set for little kid sizes. All right, I'm in.
There we go.
He wants the orange strap. Okie dokie. I've ridden this thing about 10 times. I've never ridden forwards, so I'm looking forward to it.
I think this is my first ride on this.
Yeah. Oh, it's something backwards.
I think the line was like an hour and a half, and I was like,
oh yeah, yeah.
Pretty popular. There's one or two more people like here. That's next to two more. Make one more. Keeps telling me more in the front. Let's see. One more. Go. Got chill. Anybody chill?
Waiting for two. Who are they gonna be? Very, very cozy setting in here. In the cage. Alright. Here they come. Who's it gonna be? Yep. Come on in. How are you?
Good. How are you guys?
Good. It's going to be a cozy fit, but it'll be fine. Just got 2 seat belts there.
And this is the lap bar?
Have you ever ridden this before?
Nope.
Okay. It's something. Oh yeah. I've never ridden it forward, so I'm excited. Yep, 2 seat belts. And it's best if we just agree where to put our feet.
I don't know. What?
He wants the orange handle. Once you get your belt fastened, he'll want your orange handle. He just wants to make sure that you're buckled in. Yep. Yep.
This side?
Yep.
I can switch.
Yep.
All good?
Oh good. Oh good.
Is it going down?
And then we'll want to agree on where we keep our feet so we don't kick each other. Perfect.
I will keep
You might even want to push against that board there because you're going to be surprised backwards. It's weird to get in these cars because we ride a lot of roller coasters, but we haven't ridden in another car like this, so it's really kind of unique. So it's got the elevator lift. Yeah.
It's definitely different.
The elevator will take you up.
Oh yes.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Be prepared.
That was rough.
You're going to be shocked. Yeah, it only goes 20 miles an hour. It's like 35 feet tall, but you think it's 300 and 100 mile an hour. Up we go, Becky.
Yep.
Up the
Got a little
lift.
speed going.
When we first got here, the train got stuck in the tunnel. We were waiting in line, so hopefully we're going to have a smooth run. Not to freak you out, just preparing you for everything.
It happened like when we went to Disney, like Animal Kingdom.
Oh, yeah.
That was like Mount Everest, right?
Oh, okay. Mount Everest,
So that
Animal
was
Kingdom.
also similar.
Huh.
Yep.
No, it's not the same. It was kind of same, like going in mountain
Oh yeah. This is the old school version. So hang on, here we go. Oh boy. He's gonna pull up the dynamite here. There goes the dynamite. Here we go. Oh man, I can't hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow. Line closed ahead. In the line. Oh wow. It's way more enjoyable forwards. Hold up! Oh! The lights! Oh wow, it's air conditioning. Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh wow!
It's something else.
How are you feeling? You feeling okay? Backwards is probably more fun because you can't tell where you're going at all. But
not at all.
I had a great ride forwards too, though, for the first time. So, all right, unbuckle and jump on out.
There we go.
All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. After you, sir. You're fine. You can step on me in this situation. It's no problem.
Thank you.
Anytime. After you, Becky.
Yeah.
Out we go. All right. Had a great ride.
Appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, everybody. Lost Coaster, Superstition Mountain, Indiana Beach, 2024, 75th anniversary. What'd you think?
Yeah, definitely a fun ride, a fun coaster. I know sitting forward this time, I've never ridden it forward facing. I've always just sat riding backwards. So it was kind of interesting to see the ride from that perspective this time. But yeah, still great speed and turns for that.
Really, for 20-mile-an-hour coaster,
Yeah.
it's only 35 feet up there. They've got that really cool lift hill and that elevator. They only run one train, so the line can get really long. Usually it's like an hour wait. I think we waited like 20 minutes. We just kind of got in there early. Yeah. So we recommend doing that if you come here to the park. Get on this one early first if you want to do it. Backwards, we do have an older video from 2021 out there. I have put like a clip cam on the netting, and it's super shaky, but it's like a wholly different ride altogether. But this one's a great one, great night ride, great coaster really here at Indiana Beach. And we're gonna do some of the more coasters. We'll show you the park in a park tour and see what's new this year. And big thank you to all our fellow travelers, loyal subscribers, and viewers out there. And we'll see you all very soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.